Look crazy, like crazy. Look at my lashes. My lashes are officially gone. They're missing. Anywho, welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your favorite girl, Chelsea, with two, not one, but two motherfucking S's. And when I say motherfucking, I be saying mother effing S's, but you know, I don't be trying to get flagged and stuff because YouTube been real sensitive these days, okay? So we ain't got time for that. But welcome back to your favorite girl, Chelsea's channel. And that's like my little intro that I gained. I was like, you know how everybody has like their own little thing. That's just what, I don't know, I've been saying your favorite girl, Chelsea, but I just added the two fucking S's because I have it in my Instagram name, all that stuff, okay? But yeah, welcome back to my channel. My eyebrow stuff out the way, you know, because eyebrows come first for me. So basically, in this video I'm gonna be doing my makeup, and I need a freaking, I have a mirror in this palette, so that is what I'm going to be using. I'm gonna be doing my quote-unquote everyday makeup routine, but this is just the routine I do whenever. This is like my go-to makeup look. Sometimes I spice it up more, but I'm just showing y'all like the basics that I usually do. 2020 edition, because I do use new products. So yeah, your girl is grown. Like, it's crazy out here. I look completely different. So one thing that's different about my makeup routine is that I use brow gel now. This is Clear Brow Gel by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I was like, oh, I heard of her, so I got her. Bagged it. I know y'all probably, a lot of you guys, it's kind of hard to know what to talk about on my channel because a lot of you guys come from my main channel with my boyfriend. So, and some of you guys really don't come from that channel. Y'all just follow this channel. So I don't be knowing like what to talk about. I don't want to talk about the same stuff. But as you guys can see, I'm in a new environment. I'm in a whole new bathroom. If you don't know already, your girl moved. I think I want to do the furnished apartment tour on this channel, just so this channel can have some love and some excitement too, because that was a big stepping stone for me. So I do want to share it with y'all and show y'all the house. So I think my house is basically 90% done in my head. I'm pretty sure I'm going to want to add other stuff, but for right now, furniture wise, like couch and everything, even though a lot of you guys already seen it, I'm just going to show you guys a furnished apartment tour on this channel. And hopefully y'all won't be mad at me for too long for leaving y'all, because I have not posted on this channel in a year, I think, or just about. Like, it's been that long. As a creator, if you're not like, if your head and mind isn't in the right space to create, you just like a blank, like you just be like blah. And I feel like that comes through my videos, and I would try to film multiple times, y'all, and when I tell y'all, I delete every video I film because I'm just like, Chelsea, like your energy's off, your environment just isn't you. Like, this whole house I decorated so everything is me, okay? I got Chelsea's touch. I wasn't motivated, to be honest. Like, that's me being raw, uncut. I was not motivated. There was no real reason why I did or didn't film. It was just that I wasn't motivated. And I don't want to post or waste anybody's time with my energy being like blah. Like, who want to listen to talk to somebody who don't want to be there, basically? So yeah, that's the tea on that. I'm not gonna waste too much time talking about that though, because it's already over with. I'm back now, and plus I'm tired of telling you guys like, this concealer is dried out, baby. I'm back now. I know why makeup gurus be skipping the freaking eyebrow part. They take too long, baby. I use NARS, but this is my good foundation, okay? This is the foundation that I use on special occasions. So Today I haven't been showing my Fenty Beauty any love. I stay using my NARS, because I don't wear makeup like that no more either. Like I used to wear makeup all the time. When I say y'all couldn't go to school without it, I would go to school a full face, not a full face, but like foundation, concealer. I do not wear no makeup now because my skin is like clear enough for me to feel like confident without it. I just need to give more effort in life. Like I just miss wearing makeup, and I recently went out and bought a lot of makeup. I bought this palette and a couple other stuff. I spent like $300 at not Sephora, Ulta. So yeah, baby's gonna use her makeup today. Thus, one girl asked me for the foundation colors I wear, and Fenty is 410, and in NARS I wear Mako. New brushes, y'all. Like that was my motivation to try, because I knew if I spent some money on product, I'm gonna wanna wear it, you know what I mean? Like when you buy new clothes, you can't wait to wear it. So I knew if I buy myself new makeup, I would be motivated to film again, which I am. Now I'm just gonna skip to the question part. I just wanted to give y'all a quick update on me. As little update as I'm finna go into today. You guys did ask me questions, so I will be answering those in this video as well. I only picked a couple. There wasn't that many, but I only picked a couple questions to answer. First question is, how does it feel living on your own? First of all, not really on my own, but RJ is gone 95% of the time, so I kind of do get, like, I get the best of both worlds. Like, me and RJ aren't in each other's faces as much as y'all may think now that we live together, because he goes out every day to handle his business or whatever. So honestly, it's not bad. I feel like I'm the type of person, I've never liked staying home by myself and staying home alone, but it's not bad, y'all. It doesn't feel, I don't know, I don't really even feel like it's sank in all the way, and which is crazy because I've been here for a month. So I don't know, it feels good. I mean, I'm happy. As you guys can see, I'm back filming and working and all of that stuff, so I feel 10 times better than I was for the past couple of years. Y'all done seen me go downhill, uphill, downhill, uphill, all of that. So your girl has no complaints. So after my foundation, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and the color Tan Deep Sand. And I like the little highlighted look under. If y'all think this is too light, it's because I like that look. It's not for everybody, but if it's not for you, don't knock my shine, boo. Period. My lashes look so bad. So bad. I like this to sit on my face for a while. I'm trying to let it soak in before I blend it out. But the next question is, how do you take your Instagram pictures? With my phone, y'all. I take my Instagram pictures with my phone. I really feel like my Instagram pictures be trash because for some reason when I post my Instagram pictures, it goes blurry. Like, I don't know how to explain it. I don't know if y'all had the same problem. If y'all do, let me know and put me up on game on what y'all did to stop it. But it be looking so clear and so good on my phone and on my camera, and then when I post it, it goes blurry. So yeah, but I just take it with my phone. I have a 11 Pro Max, and I do edit my pictures sometimes depending on like what it is. I want to make one of those videos where I tell y'all like how I take my pictures and how I edit them. I'm gonna do that one day. That's like a girly video I can do. And I feel like I'm doing a crappy job at my makeup today because I'm filming. Every time I film my makeup, it don't come out cute. But watch me turn this camera off and I be looking like a snack. Maybe because this mirror is so close, like I'm seeing all my textured skin. Ask me why I don't wear my natural hair. First of all, because I had somebody comment yesterday and on our main channel talking about they can't respect me because they don't see me wear natural hair. First of all, baby girl, let me tell you something. All you need to know is that I have hair. And if I didn't, the fact that hair is the reason why you can't respect somebody, you got bigger issues, sis. Like, somebody else's hair at that. You can't respect somebody else because they don't wear their natural hair as much as you would like to see them. First of all, I just started filming. Again, so if I did or didn't, you wouldn't know because I don't film like that. And another thing is, I'm not gonna cap, I really don't wear my natural hair because 9 times out of 10, I don't feel like dealing with it. Like, it takes a long time. I don't know if you're black or not, sis, but black people hair, my hair takes a long time to do and I don't have time to deal with it every single day. So I apologize. Actually, I don't apologize, I lied. I'm trying to keep stuff sweet on me and Babe's channel sometimes, but the way I move with my channel, I ain't gonna spare you. So this is the Morphe palette. Basically it has bronzer, setting powder, contour powder, blush, highlighter, everything you need to set your face or like to add onto your face powder wise. I use the bronzer as my little contour. Something new I do in my my routine. And I basically just take a brush like this and go across my cheeks, and as you guys can see, that line. I think the contour color in this palette is a little too dark for me. I may use it on like my sister. The fact that I didn't know how to contour was really pissing me off. I don't really know if I'm doing it right, like the best way, but it be coming out decent enough for me. I'm still working on it, y'all. This is my second day at the job, okay? So please spare me if y'all don't like my contour, but that's how I'm doing it for the moment until I learn how to perfect it, to not make the line so hard. And like I said, I use bronzer so it doesn't look as harsh. I feel like if I use the contour, it would definitely look more harsh. But the bronzer helps me like blend it out a little bit better until I know how to contour for real. And then I just go over with my powder to not make it look so harsh. People who don't contour, y'all should really try. Even if you can't, maybe start off and do something little, but it makes all of the difference. When I was doing my makeup before, a lot of my makeup tutorials, y'all seen I didn't do contour, and it just makes your face look flat. And like now I look like I have color to my cheeks and the highlight stands out more. It just makes all of the difference. So since this is like an everyday makeup routine, I usually don't do eyeshadows, but for this look I like to look like warm and just contour shade and the bronzer that I just used, and I just dab this little brush into it and I just go in circular motions. So yeah, that is how we're looking. We coming together, baby. Worry about you. So usually I would be done, well, just about done, but since my lashes are damn near coming out, I gotta put on some lashes. So I'm gonna be back when I put on my lashes. My next question is, when am I gonna start selling the stuff I've been talking about on YouTube, on Instagram? So if you don't follow me on Instagram, you wouldn't know what I'm talking about, but I told my followers recently that I was going to start. Oh, I'm using my blush in here, by the way. But I told my followers that I was going to just say forget it, because I do plan on selling stuff. And I have my, if you guys don't know, I have got my LLC, and I was working on my next business move or whatever. But I was moving and all of this stuff that had to go into it, and like addresses and stuff is a big part of some stuff when you're trying to create have your business. So I am still going to be selling, just don't know exactly when, but it is going to be soon. Has to be soon, because a lot of stuff that I have is summer clothes. So I really gotta get a move on it before winter comes. Sit here and talk to you guys, and just, you know, this be my first video, us being sitting down chatting. Hopefully y'all don't mind me chatting. I edit videos, y'all. I be feeling like I talk too much. But when I don't talk, I be like, girl, this video boring. So I don't know what to do in my videos. I'ma just do, sometimes I talk, sometimes I don't. Because some people do like to like just watch videos. I'm one of those people, but sometimes I like to like watch people talk and engage. So my channel is gonna have a little bit of both. I feel like I need some earrings. But alright, you guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed and like my new makeup routine. I really like my new makeup routine, especially because I'm older now, so it's time to step up your cookies, sis, before they crumble. But yeah, I'm just playing. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment down below if you guys are happy to see your favorite girl back to the channel. As you guys been waiting, y'all been on my head asking me to come back and when I'm gonna come back. So here goes y'all video. Make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram at _ChelseLove with 2 motherfucking S's. And I will see you guys on this channel and my main channel tomorrow.